Ugo Ugochukwu, an Igbo American racing star, has achieved global prominence by winning the 2026 Formula Regional Oceania Trophy in New Zealand. This is a very big achievement in international car racing contests. Ugo is only 18 years old, yet he competed in 15 tough races against some of the best young drivers from different countries. He drove for a racing team called M2 Competition and showed great skill, focus, and discipline throughout the season. He won 4 races and finished on the podium in every single round, which means he was always among the top drivers. This shows consistency, hard work, and excellence values Igbo are well known for. His journey to victory started strongly at Hampton Downs, where he won 2 races back to back. That strong beginning gave him confidence and set the pace for the rest of the championship. Even when he faced a technical problem later in the season, Ugo did not give up. He stayed calm, pushed harder, and scored enough points in the final races to win the overall title. This success is not new for Ugo. He has already made history before by winning the Macau Grand Prix, one of the most respected racing events in the world. Because of his talent and discipline, he is now moving up to FIA Formula 3, where he will race this season with campus racing. This shows steady growth and a bright future ahead. Ugo Ugochukwu is the son of Oluchi Nwaba, a famous Nigerian supermodel and the first Mnet face of Africa. Excellence clearly runs in the family, and Ugo is continuing that legacy in a different field. This achievement is more than just a personal success. It once again shows that Ndi Igbo are hardworking, intelligent, and gifted, whether in business, education, academics, arts, or sports. From Nigeria to America, Europe, and beyond, Igbo sons and daughters continue to raise the flag high and prove that greatness has no limits. Ugo Ugochukwu's story is an inspiration to young people everywhere, especially Igbo youths, to believe in themselves, work hard, and never be afraid to chase big dreams. Yeah. Don't forget to register for our Igbo class. If you don't know how to speak Igbo or your kids don't know how to speak Igbo, rush now and register. And our content creation class is still on. Don't forget to DM me. I'm just